All right, so 937, a relationship between inputs and outputs is a function. If there is no more than one output for each input, using this definition, decide if the relationships below are functions or not. So if you have one input, it goes exactly to one output. Okay, so it's a what they say is one to one relationship. So now when I look at A, one of the ways we can check for a function is if we do the vertical line test. So for one value of x, we get one value of y. And clearly, this is going to pass that vertical line test, and so this is going to be a function. All right, now when I come over to B and when I draw my vertical line test, when I have x is 2, I have actually 2 points. I have 2, what is that, 2? And then I have 2, -2. So for my one input for 2, I got 2 outputs. So because of that, this is not a function. And then likewise on C, what we're kind of looking for is the same thing we did in B. We notice when it's not a function, our x value repeats. So you look at your x values, your domain, -8, -1, 0, 1, 8. None of these x values repeat. So therefore each of these are one-to-one relationships. So we would say C is a function. If you couldn't tell by looking at the table of values, then my suggestion is to graph it and then use the vertical line test. A little more work, but you would be sure. All right, in D, again, this is another problem. It's a line. So when you draw any line along here, for every x value, you get one y value. So this is a one-to-one relationship. So D is a function.